Hello and welcome to this very special interview. Today I'm joined by Mr. Faizan Asad, a Legal Tree founder, a lawyer from Bangalore. He'll be talking to us on why marijuana should be legalized, decriminalized, or it should not be decriminalized in India. So recently, India has supported and voted at the United Nations supporting for removal of marijuana and cannabis from the most dangerous substance list. Do you think it's time for India to decriminalize marijuana in this country also?
My opinion is on that it's just an international convention that they have agreed to, but it does not impact any Indian laws. So I don't think so. It should be decriminalized because the research has not reached to that level that it has more benefits than problems from it. So once it get clarified from each and every end, then there should be some restriction to the content that has to be allowed to use for recreational purpose or not, or to the medical purpose. Based on that, if we have some regulations strictly followed, then it can be allowed. But right now, just because of signing the international convention, Indian law, it has no impact on the NDPS Act.
But do you think this is hypocrisy on the part of the Indian government, or is it a move towards change? Why? Because the Indian government has banned, as you know, marijuana and cannabis product in use in this country, but they are supporting removal of this from the most dangerous substance list at United Nations. How do you see this?
Still, it has been removed from the schedule fourth of this international convention in the what we call as this current narcotic and psychotic act. But in the international convention, it is still in the list of schedule one. So we can't simply say that they have, maybe they are doing something trying to, based on the reports or research and analysis, they are coming there, all the countries, because in other 50 countries along with US, Canada, they have all allowed. Maybe they are moving those steps to try their best. But in India also, because the NDPS Act itself allows some states, there's some provisions which they can allow to cultivate and for use of industrial purposes. So they can amend the laws. I don't think so. They maybe they are trying their best based on the world, what the world has a view on it, and it in sometimes has proved that it has medically benefited for the people of chronic diseases, chronic pain, and anxiety issues. So maybe they are trying their step ahead to make use of this opportunity. That's it.
Yeah.
But still, the laws are same. Even I have spoken to some expert in NDPS and police departments. They say that it will not impact anything. It takes its own time.
So my next question is, why do you think it should not be decriminalized in India? What's your opinion?
Decriminalize because we have already so much of users of smokers and all other activities and anything which has a habit of addiction, which harms the body. And this product itself is something which give an impact to the mind. It has some mental problems are also develop. It can develop so many mental issues, and it makes a man to live in some other real world. It makes you out of sense.
Yeah.
And moreover, this the more the if it has been if it is practiced regularly on the way the smokers smoke the cigarettes, then it impacts the health issues. That's the reason I am telling. And it make a person out of senses.
So currently in India, around 31 million people, as per studies, have been consuming marijuana and different products of cannabis. Don't you think even then it should be decriminalized because it's a large population, 31 million people in India. They have used different products of cannabis.
Yeah, like bang and all those things are allowed. The government has allowed the use of flowers and leaves, but they have not allowed the use of the seeds. So these the content should be less. I am only it can be decriminalized based on the content.
Okay.
If it is very less in content for the recreational purpose, then it must be allowed. If it has no regulation on the content, then it will be dangerous for everybody.
Am I right in understanding you that you want more studies and research to be conducted on the issue before it is decriminalized in India?
Very true. I am on the same lines.
Yeah. As per reports, marijuana generates around 14.6 lakh crore money if the Indian government taxes on this. Now it's a report.
Yes, yes.
Do you think decriminalization of marijuana could be a better or a good business opportunity, and that can add up to the economy of this country if it happens.
And if you compare with the tobacco also, it's also giving the income to India. That's what I said. If we work on, if the government works and the medical field professionals, all the department works on the analysis, if they do good, then if it is, if they have some regulation of usage, then it can be helpful for economy also.
But there has to be more research and studies on that. And
Yes,
then we have
research
to
and
go.
studies. Yes,
So in
because we are all depending on the international studies. We have not done any personal studies from the Indian side.
okay, so you are
Because
saying
our population is very different when compared to the other countries, Western countries. Their temperature is different, their living conditions are different, economic conditions are different here. So based on those, we need to think of.
okay. So some advocates who say there should marijuana and cannabis products should be decriminalized say and give example of Portugal. So in Portugal, the government decriminalized in 2001, and then the Portugal government saw that a drastic decrease and dip in the number of consumers of cannabis and its products. So they say once you decriminalize, the consumers and the users will decrease, and that will help in controlling and regulating the whole business itself, and it will help in controlling the crime and the related things. You buy
No,
buy
we
the
can't compare the Portugal with India. The enormous population we have, the economy, the poor conditions. Why in India most of the people going to this drugs and all. It also for unemployment. Everything is there. So we can't compare them. If we decriminalize entirely, then the conditions of we have seen what happens in Punjab. What is the condition there, and if you want to see each and every place of India, then it will be very problematic. That I am saying, if they regulate for recreational purpose, if they regulate for some content, some limit, then something can be done.
Okay, so so your last word on why you don't want it to be decriminalized. Last word, final word.
Decriminalize because it impacts the youth of India. And the conditions of economy is very low, and people are very poor in this condition, and youth will be they will come, it will impact the youth a lot, because it's a country of young generation, and this can change the direction of the country, and it will affect their what you call life.
So it should not be decriminalized at the
It
moment
will
in
not be
this country.
decriminalized. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Thank you so much.